Hello, I'm Tanya Smith, number 16. This is King's Voice.
Hello, I'm Supisara Opara, number 21. This is Mon In Voice.
Hello, my name is Sufi Kanyama, number 32, and I'm Sufi's voice.
Hello, I'm Nantalak Vasarongrong, number 34. This is Shumpu's voice.
Oh, finally, let's travel, dude.
How did you guys do on the mathematics test?
I think I did pretty good. Trigonometry is in my blood. But I don't think I'm gonna survive physics.
Oh my goodness, guys! That lighthouse looks so tall.
Google Maps says that it's 150 meters away from us.
I wonder how tall it is. But I guess we'll never know.
Now wait just a minute there. Didn't we just do a test about this?
Man, have you already forgotten?
Now, you little duckling, settle down and listen here. Let me remind you about the trigonometry theorem. First, you're probably wondering, what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics concerned with specific functions of angles and their application to calculations. Discovered by a Greek mathematician and astronomer, Hipparchus.
Hey, let's talk about the definitions of it. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the relationship between the lengths and angles of triangles. Trigonometry dates back to the Hellenist era in the 3rd centuries before Christ. Currently, it's used in everything from geometry to astronomy.
And this is the content that we use in class. First up is the cosine formula. Sine theta, where theta is the angle, equals to the opposite side over the hypotenuse side, which is side BC over AB. Cos theta is the adjacent side over the hypotenuse side, which is side AC over AB. Then tan theta is the opposite side over the adjacent side, which is side BC over AC. Up next is the product to sum formula that you can see here. Finally, we had the law of sine cosine, which is the one we use to find heights from angles of elevation and depression. When we know one side and two angles of a triangle, we have to use the law of sine. If we know two sides and one angle, we could use both, but cosine is better because it is more direct. And now, how to use them.
Like, for example, the lighthouse that you mentioned. From my estimation, if we're staring at the top of the lighthouse, it would be at an angle of elevation of about 30 degrees. We can now find the height of the lighthouse.
With only just that?
Yup, and the answer to that question is 88.203 meters. Not only that, you could also find out how tall a mountain that you're climbing is by simply make triangles out of the distance that you climbed. For example, imagine this. You're standing at the foot of a mountain and saw the top of the mountain at an angle of elevation of 53 degrees. If you walk 230 meters up the mountains that slanted at a 32-degree angle, you'll see the top at an angle of elevation of 82 degrees. How tall is this mountain? You can find the answer by applying trigonometry functions.
Is it 209.1 meter?
Yup, that's correct.
Well, try this. Jenny was on the roof of a 60-meter high building. He could see the guard tower on the east side of the building at a 60-degree angle. At a truck parked south of the guard tower at a 30-degree angle. Well, from this picture, if I ask you how far is the truck from the guardhouse, let's solve this together. You know this angle, right? You know AC, and you know this 30-degree angle too. So you got the length of AD. You can see that the three sides are related by the Pythagoras theorem. Now solve the equations and you'll get the answer.
Wow, that's awesome sauce. Thank you guys very much for all of this.
My pleasure.
Hey, no problem. It's my pleasure.
You can pay me later with cash. Sorry, I'm just kidding.
And finally, what I want to say is, learning is a part of life, and that's the magic of mathematics, where every problem has a solution waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching, and remember, the world of numbers is just a puzzle away.
太感谢你了，頑張ってください、プーキーウーキー。